Hi there. In this short video, I'm going to take us through the Data Axle database. Data Axle, also known as the Reference Solutions, is one of the business databases that the USD library subscribes to. It's a prominent provider of big data, analytics, and marketing services. This database is an excellent resource for researching current US businesses, historical business data, and consumer lifestyle. It's handy for identifying competitors and suppliers as well as evaluating market potential. One thing that makes the Data Axle unique from most of other business databases is that it has a treasure trove of local data. So how do you access the Data Axle? Search for the ID Weeks library website, scroll down to your one search. This is where you find most, if not all, of the library e-resources. Click on the databases, select the Data Axle from the drop-down list, or click on the A to Z database list. From here, you can type in Data Axle in the search bar, or you can click on D for the databases that start with letter D. This is the Data Axle homepage. Listed below are some of the Data Axle datasets. Click on More Info to see a quick summary of what the database contains. To get started, click on the search or the name of the dataset. This takes you to a new page. You can either use the quick search to find a business by the company name or the executive, or you can use the advanced search. Most of the time, you'll want to use the advanced search. Here, you can add some filters such as industry codes, the geographic location, ownership, the business size, etc. An example search is if you wanted to know how many restaurants are in Sioux Falls area. We'll start by adding Sioux Falls under the geography location metro area. And then we're going to search for the industry restaurants. With that, I'll scroll up to the top right corner, update the count, then click on the view results. Click on the corporate tree next to the business to see the business's other locations and what is the parent company. Data Axle has some tools for analyzing this set of businesses, or if you like it, the search results. Select the review, to revise the search criteria. You can select a business and click on details to closely review the business, the demographics, the history, etc. The heat map helps you visualize the results on the geographical map to see the concentration. You can either zoom in and out. Click on the summary to see a breakdown of businesses by the sales volume or the employee size. The charts feature allows you to create the graphs of this dataset. There's an option to print or download. There's also an option to export the reference. There's an option for some parameters to change the chart type. You can also download the dataset or the search results to a spreadsheet for your analysis or visualizations. Another useful dataset in DataAxle is the consumer lifestyle dataset. This dataset contains demographic information and consumer preferences. This can help local entrepreneurs determine their target market. A sample scenario is if I have a photography business, how can I find potential customers in Vermilion? I'll use the advanced search. For the geography, I'll use the metro area, search for Vermilion. I'll select lifestyle. On various interests, I'll select the photography. There are more filters available if you want to target a more specific group. Scroll up, update the count, and again view the results. You can use the features above to analyze or visualize your search results. One more final search is if I'm not sure which location I should set up my photography business, maybe in Sioux Falls. DataAxle can be resourceful for that. I'll go back to the advanced search. Instead of using the metro area in the geographical location, I'll use the map-based search. Open the map, zoom to Sioux Falls, and then I'll draw some radius, say 0.71 miles. The second radius 0.7 miles. So we'll see in the first radius we have 114 potential customers, and the second radius we have around 78 potential customers.